Let's analyze this formally, allowing for possible market frictions. It's a two-area model. Outcomes are retail prices. Treatments are area-specific excise taxes. Here's profits for the manufacturer. Tau is the relative size of the T area. Both areas have the same per capita demand curve, but different retail prices. I'm coloring the wholesale prices. The profit from an area depends on the wholesale price in that area, which is the difference between the retail price and the excise tax. There is an additional cost of tolerating different wholesale prices in the two regions. This cost is where the market frictions come in. If it were convex enough, then wholesale prices would be identical across regions, as on the previous slide. Otherwise, there will be some wholesale price discrimination. The market spillovers across between will be less than within areas. We calculate first-order conditions, not shown in this slide, and calculate comparative statics with respect to the two excise tax rates. We refer to the scale effect as ρ because it's the national pass-through rate. It is the usual pass-through parameter coming from the second derivative properties of the demand curve. The did is no longer just 1, as we had without market frictions. It also brings in a bit of the scale effect. The weight on the scale effect depends on the intensity of the friction, which is represented by the second derivative of the C function.